Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Usually I don't post. I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Love unfold tonight, they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. I love the things we do. You want a bad one? Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for, fun to flirt, but promise to deliver.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so I am still in the healing phase of my healing, girl. But I will have that video for you guys at a later date. But your girl is a Virgo, okay? You know a Virgo loves to say, I'm a Virgo. Your girl is a Virgo, and the work must continue to work, okay? So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, the name is PE007. The order number is B967. The texture is silky. The length is 18 inches. The color is same as pictures. And I would say that this is probably a number 4. The cap size is size number 2, which I think is the average to big head size. I said the average to big head. The average to large head size, which is 22.5 to 23 inches. The cap construction of this unit is a 13x6 lace front wig and is 160% density. Now, this is a straight wig. Now, honey girl, child, you can curl old girl if you want a curler. You can do that. I decided to wear it as a straight wig, but I know if I decided to curl old girl, the curls would be curling. This hair does hold heat like a mug, honey. I was flat ironing and it was dropping on my shoulder and I was like, so old girl holds heat, so I'm pretty sure it curls really good. As far as tweezing in this unit, like literally old girl woke up like this. I woke up like this. Like old girl woke up like this. I did not have to tweeze her. I did not bleach the knots on this wig whatsoever. What you see is how this unit came. As far as it being big hair friendly, in my opinion, this unit is more on the medium to large head friendly side. I did adjust the straps and I did adjust that elastic band and I put it on the 3rd notch. So in my opinion, this unit, if you get it in this size 2, it is more on the medium to large head side. If you get it in the size 1, I think that is more on the small to medium head size. But I am an average cop size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Do with that what you want to do with that, honey, because I can only judge the head that is on my shoulders or on my neck. You know what I mean. Anyway, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, it was none of the things. Old girl is a straight wig. It is silky texture. Although it's not like super silky. It's like that perfect in between, but they say it's silky, so we're gonna go with silky. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. As far as the cons, it's gonna be my same standard con. It's a 13x6, like meaning that part is parting, honey. You can still go even farther back than I am going, but when it gets to the sides, like right here, you're not gonna be able to go far. Like literally short of here, this little area right here, you cannot go back very far. So that is like my standard con. It's not a big con for me, but I need a con, girl. Okay, I gotta give you a con or y'all think I'm lying. So that is gonna be my con. The pros for me is the fact that this unit is a 13x6. Like you do have a lot of parting space, which makes it very versatile. Even though it is a straight wig, you can definitely curl it and do like different looks. I love that it's 160% density because that density makes it more natural looking to me. And I also love the color. You guys know with me, I always say that this is basically my natural hair color that I messed up when I was young and I haven't been able to get it back. So I love that I can get units like this that still give me that color, even though I have not been able to achieve it in my natural color. Also, I love that this unit is pre-tweezed, and I do want to say that the lace is more of a darker lace on my complexion, but I feel like the lace will definitely melt in for the majority of people, and that is always a plus for me as well. And yeah, to me, this is a beginner friendly wig that a lot of people could wear glueless. You guys know with me, I struggle with the glueless thing. I don't know what it is about my head that glueless just don't be gluelessing. Key, Rashawn, please come to my house and show me how to do it, girl. But for me, it never works. The glueless thing never works for me. So I love all of those factors with this unit, and so yes, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this unit for all the reasons that I listed as pros. So yes, I would recommend this wig. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Now honey, I got drains on, so the struggle is real for me right now. So just kind of bear with me. Alright y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. All All right, y'all, so those are all my specs and details about this wig. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Ultimate D on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.